ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. നമ്മുടെ ടെസ്റ്റ് അറ്റ് 20ൻ്റെ 4ാമത്തെ പാട്ടാണെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണ്ട് കാണാം. ടെസ്റ്റ് സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് എഴുതി നോക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നേരെ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ദ ഡാഷ് ഈസ് ദി ചീഫ് എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് ഓഫീസർ ഓഫ് ദി ICA. Answer option A, Director General. Second one, the main office of Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific of ICA is at. Option A, New Delhi. Third one, expand CCW. Option A, Consumer Cooperative Worldwide. Fourth one, in the Dash 5-year plan, the Central Committee for Cooperative Training was established. Answer option B, second 5-year plan. Fifth one, in the Dash 5-year plan, the All India Rural Credit Review Committee was set up. Option D, fourth 5-year plan. Sixth one, in 1966, the Reserve Bank of India set up the Dash for the review of rural credit system. Option A, All India Rural Credit Review Committee. Seventh one, the Shivaraman Committee was constituted in the Dash 5-year plan and it recommended the establishment of NABARD. Option C, sixth 5-year plan. Eighth one, the first dairy cooperative society was registered in 1913 at. Option B, Allahabad in UP. Ninth one, the first dairy cooperative society was registered in 1913 at Allahabad in UP was called. Option A, Katra Cooperative Dairy Society. 10th one, two or more single purpose societies working closely together without losing their identity is called. Option B, link-up system. 11th one, Dash is an institution in implementing the novel schemes of Government of Kerala like Distress Purchase Scheme, Fiber Subsidy Scheme, Purchase Price Stabilization Scheme, etc. Option B, Coir-Fed. 12th one, Dash represents excess of assets over liabilities. Option C, Capital Fund. 13, octroi or local taxes, import duty, customs, landing charges, clearing charges, etc. are shown in. Option B, debit side of trading account. 14, loss of issue of debentures is treated as. Option D, miscellaneous expenditure. 15. Dividends are usually paid as a percentage of. Option C, paid up share capital. 16. In India, banks prepare their trading profit and loss account and balance sheet as per the provisions contained in. Option A, Banking Regulation Act 1949. 17. Trading account is subdivision of. Option C, revenue statement. 18. The aggregate of direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses is known as. Option C, prime cost. 19. Share premium shows on the dash side of balance sheet. Option B, liability side of balance sheet. 20. A collection of assets in which an investor invests is known as. Option B, portfolio.